Welcome. We are coming to the almost the end part of the support reaction for cantilever for standard cases. Okay. Now question number 26. See, today's class I am covering couples. I can tell question number 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 like that. But I think it is not justice because very simple. So I have decided to divide today's question into two parts where everything will be covered. So 26A, I'll give the question first. I will do one thing, all the questions first I will solve with left side fixed. Once everything is over, in the end I will go for right side fixed. So I will make a note as I give the questions, I will make a note and then I will solve for right side fixed. So 26A question is a cantilever beam of length L, I will tell is fixed at the left end. It is subjected to a clockwise couple M at the free end. Okay, I will not tell left and right end. Okay, I will tell a cantilever beam of length L is subjected to a clockwise couple M at the free end. So we will take left side fixed. Okay, over. Let VA and MA be vertical reaction. As usual, I told you, horizontal reaction you are not bothered. Even if you bother, sigma H equals 0, HA will come 0. This I told earlier. Later stages, I will consider horizontal reaction. So let VA and MA be vertical reactions and horizontal and reacting moment at a fixed support at A. Class. Directions. Decide the direction. See, there is no load here. So, therefore, see, if there is no load, it does not mean that there is no vertical reaction. See, simply supported beam. If you apply only couple, then one side will try to get lifted up, reaction will come down. Other side will press it down, reaction comes up. Those two reactions will mutually balance each other. But only one support is there. So suppose there is a VA here, it cannot be balanced. So anyway, we will take VA upwards. We'll assume VA to be upwards. And regarding MA, you are applying a clockwise moment. So reacting moment MA will be anti-clockwise. Okay, I'll change the language later now. Vertical reaction, start. Sigma M about A equal to 0. Plus M minus MA equal to 0. MA equal to plus M. Sigma V0, VA equal to 0. Over. So support reaction will be MA equal to M. That's all. That's all. No vertical reaction. Now, direct. Class. Put the original sketch. See, stand here, fixed end. First comes here. See, only one, this you should do only when one support is there. Vertical loading, down or up, no loading. Since there is no loading, no reaction. Now, put the finger at fixed end. This couple M will rotate in the clockwise direction. So directly, reacting moment MA will be anti-clockwise direction. Over question. Question 26B. Single couple is 26. Multiple couple is 27. Okay. Question. A cantilever beam of span L is subjected to a clockwise couple M. Oh, no, I'll change over. Okay. An anti-clockwise couple M at the free end. Anti-clockwise couple M at the free end. Over. Find the reactions. Okay, as usual, VA will take upward. Now, since it is anti-clockwise, reacting moment will be clockwise, surely. So if you take anti-clockwise, when you solve, negative sign will come over. Write all the statement. Take moment about A. See, plus M, MA is anti-clockwise. Plus M minus MA equal to 0. Last time I put minus MA. Oh, sorry, this is anti-clockwise couple. See, I was wondering what is happening. See, because I saw the sketch here, couple is still clockwise, anti-clockwise M. Therefore, we will assume reacting moment clockwise, MA. So, minus M plus MA equal to 0, MA equal to M. Therefore, if you apply anti-clockwise couple M here, reacting moment will be clockwise M. Direct answer. Apply anti-clockwise, balancing will be directly clockwise, MA equal to M. Now, question number 26, C. See, this time I am not going for numerical question. There is no numerical. One question I will do numerical later. Okay. Or I will do numerical when I go for multiple couples. Okay. A cantilever beam of length L is subjected to a clockwise couple M at distance of A from fixed end. A from fixed end. Over. Okay, start. Vertical reaction up. The moment couple is clockwise, reacting moment will be anti-clockwise. So, as usual statement, couple M is clockwise here. M. We are assuming MA anti-clockwise. Sigma M about A0 plus M minus MA, see, minus plus M. Node, there is the distance is A. There is no multiplying by A. So, the A does not matter here. So, I will give a small example for you later. Plus M minus MA0, MA equal to plus M. So, answer is, if you apply a clockwise couple M at distance of A from fixed end, then reacting moment at the fixed support will be anti-clockwise of MA equal to M. Direct answer here, see. Apply anti-clockwise, clockwise. Apply clockwise M. Reacting moment will be anti-clockwise M. Over. Distance A. Okay, write A if you want. A. Question number 26D. Same couple anti-clockwise. A cantilever beam of length L is subjected to an anti-clockwise couple M at A from fixed end. Okay, now, since it is anti-clockwise, reacting moment will assume clockwise because you know it's opposite. You should see, you should not do this way. You should write each and everything. Remember, don't write like what I am doing. Okay, start. Take moment. Minus M plus MA equal to 0. So, MA equal to plus M. So, sigma V0, V0. So, if you apply anti-clockwise couple M at A from here, reacting moment will be clockwise M, MA equal to clockwise M. Here, directly apply anti-clockwise M, balancing is clockwise M. Over. See how fast 4 questions over. Okay, now I will give one numerical part. Now, one small important here. Okay, first I will remove this one now because next I am going for multiple couples. Okay, one small explanation is there. I will remove this one now. Okay, I write once again. Okay, now 1 minute. First I will explain the other way. Okay, this all I will remove. Just a minute. There's a recording problem. I should check the camera once. Sometimes suddenly it goes off. No, it's okay. I'll stop and restart. No. First, just make a note. See, your question number, I forgot the question only number, no? 26, that 26A, you write here. All you write here, 26A or 26B, 26C, 26D. Suppose you take right side fixed, see here, I will give direct answer. I won't waste time. Direct answer. You try systematically later. For all the question, if you take right side fixed, then span is everywhere, length is L. Don't waste space. Okay. Left side is A, right side B. Left is A, right is B. A, B, A, B. First question. Clockwise moment ME, M at the free end. So this is not red color. This is black color. Why? It is applied moment. Okay. A. First question. Clockwise moment M at the free end. So take vertical reaction VB here, which will come 0. Every question, your VB will come 0. Okay, you show the systematic calculation later. I am giving brief answer, VB 0. And then apply clockwise, reacting will be anti-clockwise. MA. Okay. Now, take moment about this point. Plus M minus MA 0, your MA will come M. Second question, anti-clockwise couple M. Since it's anti-clockwise here, see, it will rotate like this, balancing right clockwise. MB. This is MB, not MA. MB. Okay. MB. MB. Take moment about this point. Minus M plus MB equal to 0. MB will come equal to plus M. See, plus means not your clockwise, anti-clockwise. Assume direction correct. I am telling so many times. Next question, C. And clockwise couple M at A from fixed end. If it is clockwise, anti-clockwise. MB. Sigma M 0 about this point, plus M minus MB 0, MB will come M. Fourth one, anti-clockwise couple M at A from fixed end. The anti-clockwise, it is clockwise here, MB equal to, see, take moment here, minus M plus MB 0, MB also equal to M. Systematically work out. Now, one important concept for you. See, I'll tell you one important concept. Make a note. See, just one example. Our 26A was cantilever with a couple M, clockwise couple M at the free end. Span was L. Our 26B was, 26C, not B, C was, see, 26B is anti-clockwise. I don't want it. I want A, B. A clockwise couple M at A from here. A from here and B from here. Now, this is AB. Now, make a note. You will not understand much now. You make a note, study later. You write it, study later when the time comes. I will tell you when the time comes. First note, you study, first note, see, first note, note 1. Note 1, you study after SFD, BMD. After SFD and BMD. SFD and BMD. That is a note 1. Study after your SFD, BMD part is over. Now, the note is that, see, clockwise M, reacting moment MA anti-clockwise. MA equal to M. Clockwise M, reacting anti-clockwise. MA equal to M. That means whether you apply the couple at free end or somewhere here, reaction will remain same. Because why? Because when you take moment about this point, it is M. There is no multiplying. So whether couple is here or couple is here or couple is here, wherever is the couple, moment about here is clockwise M, balancing anti-clockwise. But right, that does not mean that when you go for shearing force and bending moment, and later when you go to deflection of beams, at that time you can apply the couple wherever you want. You have to apply the couple exactly where it is given, because see here the SFD here for these both the beams, then there will be no SFD. Remember, there will be no SFD. Everywhere shear force is 0. Why means you study after your SFD BMD is over, not now. If you already know it, well and good. Otherwise, after SFD and BMD over. But if you draw BMD here, see baseline, the BMD here will be, okay, negative will come, hogging, okay, I'll put down, minus M. The BMD will come, if this point is C, the BMD will come this way, M minus. That means ABC. See, even though reaction is same, when you draw BMD, this beam, everywhere there will be constant BM, all cross-section BM will be there, but here only from C to A there will be BM. Y means you study later. One note. Now make second note. Note 2. Study after deflection. Now, if you draw elastic curve here, here the beam will bend like this. Here the beam will bend like this and then like this. This will be a straight portion. This deflection will be later ml square by 2EI later. And now the deflection will become, here this deflection is m into L by 2 square divided by 2EI plus m into L by 2 by EI into L by 2. Why you don't bother now? It will be m into L by 2 square by 2 plus m into L by 2 by A into L by 2, correct? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. No, m into L by 2 square, I'll check it now. ml square by 2EI is correct. m into L by 2 square by 2EI. No, it is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. It will be 3 by 8. It will be, if it is wrong, you check later. It will be ml square by EI into 3 by 8. This is actually 4 by 8. So, because of this one, deflection will reduce. So, here see, this is full curvature. Here, this much is curvature. This is straight portion. Reasons are you study in deflection of beams. That means you cannot, suppose a couple given here, you cannot transfer the couple somewhere else randomly and tell, okay, in the class, wherever you put the couple, reaction comes same, so I can take the couple wherever I want. No. When for yes, finding support reaction, you can shift the couple wherever you want. No effect. But when you go for strain part, the section forces, shearing force and bending moment, and also deformation, deflection of beams, you should place the couple exactly where it is. You can't change it wherever you want. Okay, one note I have given. Now I'll go to multiple couples. Now, few questions for multiple couples. Okay, read the question or do one thing. This time, to save the time, you write the question 28 question number. 28, correct? It is 28A. Right. Find support reactions for the given cantilever beam. Why you want to waste time? Okay. Find support reactions for given cantilever beam. Okay. Put the question. Okay. Then, to save the time, first you write the question, then write the question once again where you mark a reaction VA, just for formality. Now, reacting moment. Observe here, See, clockwise 5, clockwise 10. 10 plus 5, 15 clockwise. 7 plus 6, 13 anti-clockwise. So you are so sure that net will be clockwise. So your reacting moment 100% will be anti-clockwise. Suppose you got doubt, you can take whatever you want. Later, negative, if it is wrong, negative sign will come. Okay, take moment about A. Plus 5m, minus 7m, plus 10m, minus 6m, no into distance L by 4, minus MA0, MA plus 2m, sigma V0, VA0. This is the answer. Direct answer. How? Just put the sketch once again. Clockwise 5, clockwise 10, clockwise 15. Remember, anti-clockwise 7, anti-clockwise 6, anti-clockwise 13. So net of this is clockwise of 2. Therefore, balancing is anti-clockwise of 2. MA is anti-clockwise of 2m. Over. Okay, now one more question where right side fixed I will give you. Okay, I'll put the next question. Then some homework I will give for you. Okay, 28b. Okay, make it 28b. Again, for the given cantilever beam, find reactions and supports. Some random point. Anti-clockwise 6m, clockwise of 3m, anti-clockwise of 7m, clockwise of just m. Okay. A, B, C, D. A, B. Put the question. Now, right here. As usual, 1 VB. You second time you are right. Now see here. Anti-clockwise 6, anti-clockwise 7 is anti-clockwise 13. Clockwise 3, clockwise 1, clockwise 4. So net is anti-clockwise. Surely reacting moment will be clockwise. FB. Take moment about B. Minus 6m. See, minus 6m plus 3m minus 7m plus m plus mb equal to 0. Your mb will come 7 or 13, 9 plus 9m. Correct? 7 or 13, 3 plus 9m. Okay. Sigma 0 over. Therefore, to save the time, do one thing. To save the time, who will write all this once again? You write here. Therefore, support reaction will be as shown in the figure below. You show a clockwise moment MB of how much it is? 9m. Put the sketch once again without VB. Over. Now, 28B also over. I told today is a short class. I'll give some questions for you. You solve it. I'll give question with the answer directly. Here, some numerical will be there. Very simple questions. Okay, I'll give, it's a single couple. Why waste time? Two questions for you. First one. Anti-clockwise 200 kilonewton meter, clockwise 80 kilonewton meter, anti-clockwise of 60 kilonewton meter, clockwise of 40 kilonewton meter. Distance I am not giving because not required. You take whatever distance you want. Over. This question, answer. I'll give answer here. Answer. Write all the couples. Clockwise 80 and clockwise 80, clockwise 40, clockwise 120, anti-clockwise 200, anti-clockwise 60, anti-clockwise of 260. 260, 200 anti-clockwise, 60 anti-clockwise, 260 anti-clockwise, and 120 clockwise, 140. That is, this is anti-clockwise. So, it will be clockwise of MA the support is A, MA will be clockwise of 140 kilonewton meter. See, now it came clockwise here. Second question. Now, I will not give much, I won't waste time too much now here. Okay, here. Clockwise of 60 kilonewton meter. One more clockwise here of 40 kilonewton meter. One anti-clockwise of 20 kilonewton meter here. One anti-clockwise of 10 kilonewton meter here. Distance you take whatever you want. Answer. I told you distance does not matter. Answer. Clockwise 60, clockwise 40 is clockwise 100. Anti-clockwise 10, anti-clockwise 30. So net is clockwise 70. Anti-clockwise moment. If this point is AB, your MB will be anti-clockwise of 70 kilonewton meter. Okay. Work out all these questions, practice. Single couple is, anybody can do it. See, suppose a question is this way for numerical. 60, add 60 over. See, why you want to waste time? In terms of M, you have done it. That is sufficient. Work out. Little shorter class today. That's all. Now, next class onwards will be support reactions for different types of beams with the multiple loading. Actually, our reaction starts next class. Very, very important, because when you go to SFD BMD later, single load will not come, multiple load will come. So you should be careful, be very careful from next class. Okay, meet you in the next class. Thank you.